guys, I am Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video, I am going to create a simple art journal spread using very basic art supplies. I know a lot of you guys want to create art journal spreads, but you don't want to use fancy journaling stationery, which is totally fair. That's why today I won't be using any fancy stationery. I will use just some basic products that you may find easily. I'm hoping that you will find this video useful. So let's begin. I will start by painting the pages brown. I'm using flash acrylic colors here. You can use any brand colors you want. I have provided the links of all the stationery products that I will be using in this video in the description box. So if you want to purchase anything, you can click on the links and get them. Now I'm not worrying about the precision of the application of the color. I'm just roughly painting the page, so you can also paint without any hesitation. Just paint your heart out and you will see why I'm doing this. Now personally, I love the brand Flash acrylic colors because the application is super smooth and beautiful, and it's almost free of any fragrance, which I personally appreciate a lot because a lot of times colors come with a very sharp chemical like smell, and I hate that. That gives me a really bad headache and I don't like that at all. While the color is drying, I'm going to cut out some paper strips and I will cut them into small pieces. Now I will roughly apply the shade of green on each piece. I recently read the book A Little Life by Hanya Yanagihara and I loved it so much. That book completely shook me emotionally. It is one of the greatest books I have ever read in my whole life and I highly recommend it. There are plenty extracts in the book that had me crying and smiling, but there is this one particular paragraph that spoke to me on a much more deeper level. The words are spoken to one of the characters in the book. His name is Jude, and he is by far one of the most wonderfully written characters ever. His character is layered, complex, and truly unique, yet the feelings that he emotes will feel very close to home for a lot of people. In this particular quotation, Jude is being told that sometimes good things happen to nice people and they should just accept without thinking whether they are worthy of that good thing or not. I found this extract so lovely. It spoke to me on a spiritual level, hence I wanted to write this somewhere, and what better place than my art journal. And that's why I've created these paper strips where I'm writing the name of the book and the author's name, and I will be writing the quotation on the right hand side. Now that the color has dried down, I will use the different shades of yellow and create such brush strokes. I don't really know how to explain this, but you guys can see that it's very simple. And if you want to try something simple and easy, this pattern may come useful. After using the color yellow, I will use orange to give the pattern some depth. Next, I will use brown to give some definition to this pattern. The layers will start looking prominent with the application of the color brown. And finally, I will be using this really vibrant shade of yellow, but only in the interior part of the spread. Next, I am creating this grid pattern on this plain page with the help of a brush pen. I am using Dome's brush pen, but you can use any color you want. You can use a sketch pen, brush pen, glitter pen, or even like a color pencil. The shade should be lighter, so when you write on top of it, it's readable. If you want it to look perfect, then you can use a ruler to draw the lines, but I wanted it to look rustic instead, and that's why I drew the lines without a ruler. Now I am writing the extract that I told you about earlier. I am using double-sided tape to stick it to the page. Double-sided tape elevates the element and gives a really wonderful 3D effect, if I may say so. And the art journal spread is ready. It's very simple, nothing fancy or crazy, but I guess that's the whole point of the video. My only regret is that I chose the dark green shade on the left hand side for the book and author's name. I could have gone for a more vibrant shade. That would have looked better in my opinion, but never mind. Let me know your thoughts about the journal spread. Did you like it? If you did, then do consider hitting the like button. If you recreate this spread, then you can tag me in your Instagram story posts. I would love to add them to my stories. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video and found it valuable. If you did, then definitely subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future updates. And I have some interesting videos lined up next, so don't miss out on them, please. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.